Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And today, a big break from the heat thanks to the rain this morning, as well as the lingering clouds that we witnessed throughout the day. Today, probably we'll begin to see those clouds decrease, especially as we move our way through the nighttime hours tonight, as temperatures today have struggled to make it into the 80s, which is obviously good news across the Arklatex. And most of the rain has moved out of the Arklatex area as of the middle part of the afternoon, and we'll be hard pressed to see much more as far as development. Looking at the weather pattern, we'll be watching the upper level ridge, which is now centered off to our west. It is gradually going to be moving back to the east here and becoming centered back over the Arklatex, and that's going to shut off the rain this weekend and also begin to crank up the heat. But eventually this ridge is going to be situated more towards the east, and that's going to allow another front to give us a pretty good chance for some decent rain towards the end of next week and next weekend. But this weekend, quite the opposite, as we'll see the return of some sunshine as we check in with Robin Story to Futurecast. Again, what's left of the rain should quickly wrap up this evening, if not sooner. We'll see the clouds decrease during the nighttime hours tonight, and then tomorrow expect a mix of clouds and sunshine. Nothing really too significant as far as rainfall across the area tomorrow. We'll see that clear to partly cloudy sky once again tomorrow night. And then for Sunday, we close the weekend with, again, that mix of clouds and sunshine and nothing as far as rain. And it looks like, again, the dry conditions will continue through most of next week. Looking at the overall pattern here, you can see the upper level ridge, how it expands back to the east as we head to the weekend. By the time we get to Sunday, it's situated right to the north of the Arklatex. So we'll see temperatures Sunday back up close to 100 degrees across a good chunk of the area. And then moving towards the end of next week, you can see the center of the ridge close to the southeastern coast of the U.S. Pretty good trough here moving into the southern sections of Canada and the upper Midwest. That's going to allow a front that you see right here to make its way southward. And that front will bring us an increasing chance for some showers and thunderstorms here for Friday as well as Saturday and perhaps even Sunday. That threat of rain will continue, and then we'll see that rain risk decrease and perhaps the ridge trying to reestablish itself as we go deeper into the month of August. Meantime, longer range models showing a decent amount of rainfall from this system next week for this front. As you can see, several showing an inch or two possible in Shreveport. Generally speaking, I would say chances are good that we'll see normal rainfall towards the end of next week and next weekend, with a good chance of seeing at least an inch. Obviously, with the scattered nature of the rain this time of year, many locations will get less and many locations could get quite a bit more. So again, at least we have a chance for some rain, which will be highest Friday, Saturday, and Sunday of next week. So your forecast in the meantime for tonight is looking mainly dry, as what's left of the rain will end. The clouds will begin to decrease even more, as we'll see lows not too bad and pretty close to normal in the low to middle 70s. 74 in Shreveport, 73 degrees for the low temperature in Texarkana. Tomorrow we'll see the mix of clouds and sunshine. It'll be hot and humid with highs mainly in the mid to upper 90s. 97 in Natchitoches, 98 in Shreveport, looking at 98 in Texarkana, and 98 degrees in Marshall. Heat index values probably in that 100 to 105 degree range. 10-day forecast shows we could be looking at several days where temperatures warm up close to 100, probably Sunday through Thursday. Then you can see the impact of the rain, as we'll see highs probably dipping into the low 90s when rainfall chances will be highest next Saturday. And we could see something next Saturday similar to what we've experienced today, where temperatures do not make it into the 90s. That's definitely within the realm of possibility. And then we start to dry out as we close the 10-day period with highs back up into the middle 90s. So all in all, it looks like we'll settle back into hot and dry as we go through the weekend, with our next best chance for some showers and thunderstorms late next week and next weekend.